All right, we're a little break here, break from working on the Forerunner here. We are gonna make a quick little stand for an iPad. With kids doing work on their iPads because of the quarantine, their stands have both broken off of the iPad. So I'm gonna make a quick 2x6 stand using something like this. So one side's 6 inches tall, including the stand, and about 7.5 on the bottom. It's going to be something close to, not like this, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be something closer to 45 degrees. And then it'll just lean against that wood piece, and that'll be something so they don't have to hold it up on their own all the time. Alright, so we got them all marked out right here. Going to make some straight lines. Here, 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 and here. I got 2 marked out for about 4.5 inches for the top piece, because of the thickness of the bottom piece, and 7.5 inches for the bottom piece. Alright, there they're marked. So now let's chop them up. So you can see I got the L shape here. The iPad is going to sit right here with a notch or something. I might just add a piece of board, it's easier than notching it out. And then it's going to lean up on this. I got 4 long screws, 2 for each one. And 4 shorter screws like that, 2 for each one as well. So the 2 shorter screws are going to be for these little stoppers right here. They're going to go on top like that to keep it from going over. And the 4 long ones are going to bolt this part, the upright, to the base. And I'm going to pre-drill them so that they won't split, just in case, especially this one. So I'm going to pre-drill these holes. Put the small ones here. Like that. That happens at least once every time I use this. So that was my one time. I hope I didn't countersink this so if it doesn't split it. Just like that. So since I split that one, I'm going to go ahead and redo this one real quick. Oh, wrong way. Upright's done. Alright, so I decided to add a little pizzazz, and to keep my stuff from breaking like this, I just found some sticks, and I pre-drilled a hole in each one of the sticks. So one's already got a screw in it, so I just pre-drilled the hole, so hopefully it won't split, and it's supposed to line up to a hole under there. Should. You can see it's super pithy, so it kind of went through a little bit, but hey, it gets your job done. Alright, so here's the finished project finished product. I've made 2 of them, like I said. The sticks hopefully should hold up. What I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to sand down the corners a little bit, get some of those burrs off, and basically give it a clear coat of something like polyurethane or clear plastic dip or something, just so when this stuff starts chipping off, it won't, go anywhere. Hopefully it won't chip off, but who knows. So this is what it looks like with the iPad on there. See? It's about the right angle that you would want there. And it works great already today. I already worked on it today. So there you go.